Have you ever wished you could live in the UK, not just for a visit, but to become part of a real, purpose-driven community, without paying an agent, without struggling for experience, and without writing a single CV? Well, today might be the day you stumbled into that once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Because right now, a small, peaceful community tucked away in Scotland is welcoming people, yes, even those outside the UK, to join them in the most meaningful way possible. And guess what? It doesn't matter where you are from. You don't need fancy credentials. You don't even need prior UK work experience. All you need is a heart willing to care and serve. Stick with me to the end of this video because I'll walk you through everything step by step, how to apply, what's required, and how this could be your stepping stone to finally relocating abroad, visa included. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back once again to the channel, or if you are new here, you're very much welcome. My name is Peace, and on this channel I share everything relocation that will help you live, study and work in abroad. Okay, so feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so, comment, I reply to all of them, and share this video to reach as many as possible. Okay, in this channel I give you guys legit info with verified links, so feel free to join my community. So without further ado, let's dig in. There is a quiet, nurturing place in Aberdeen, Scotland called Simeon Care for the Elderly. This isn't just another care home. It's a charity-led, deeply human-centered community that has been serving elderly residents since 1984. With only 23 residents, this is an intimate home built around love, dignity, and connection. And right now, they are inviting international volunteers to join their team and live within their beautiful community for up to a year. Yes, that's right, 12 months living and serving in the UK with your meals, accommodation, and community all taken care of. Sounds unreal, right? It's very real. As a volunteer, you won't be thrown in without guidance. Seaman provides training, mentorship, and full support from experienced caregivers. You'll become part of the rhythm of daily life, helping with physical care, companionship, and even sharing meals or conversation. Volunteers here don't just serve, they belong. You'll be supporting elderly residents who may be frail or ill, and your presence alone will bring comfort, connection, and dignity to their lives. Here's what makes Seaman different. They are not looking for a short-term help. They are deeply invested in building trust and creating long-term impact. That's why they only accept volunteers willing to commit to 12 months. In some cases, they may consider 6 months, but nothing less. So this is your chance to be a meaningful part of something bigger, not a quick fix, but a long-term contribution that could shape your future. Ready to apply? Here's how to do it without stress. You know, in this channel, one thing about me is that I give you guys verified links on how to go about it. Okay, as usual, I'm dropping all of these links in my description. It's just one link and it's a simple form to fill. Okay, so if you're ready to apply, head over to their official website. All right, click on the Volunteer with Us tab. Then you scroll down and you download the volunteer application form. It's a Word document. Okay, enable editing, fill in your details, and follow the instructions carefully. Once you complete it, email it directly to info@simeoncare.org.uk. I'll be putting this in my pinned comment as well. Okay, the thing is that you don't need a CV or cover letter. Everything they want to know is already in that form. Here's what to prepare before filling it out. Your basic personal info, that's your name, your address, and your nationality. Your date of availability, they recommend as soon as possible. Your education and any relevant qualifications, especially if you've done any caregiving courses. All right. If you have been around this channel for some time now, you should not have any issues with caregiving because I give you guys link. But if you want me to give you new links, right, let me know in the comment section. Comment the word new links, okay, and I'll dig out links that has given out free courses for healthcare givers, okay. Previous volunteer or work experience, even caring for a grandparent count, okay. Hobbies and interests, this help them understand you better. Future plans, hints to say that you plan to return home after your service, not to stay in the UK permanently, okay. 2 referees, not family or friends, okay. You can use your former employers, former teachers, or even the supervisors, okay. Don't use your family or friends. Then also you have to declare that you are physically fit, okay. Then your criminal record certificate from your country. Yes, they require it for international applicants, okay. And a quick bonus tip, add a recent passport style photo and make sure everything is neat and complete. Incomplete forms will be rejected. Now, here's where it gets interesting. While Simeon Care doesn't advertise Tier 2 sponsorship, they've worked with international volunteers for years and are familiar with the visa process. If your application is strong, they can support you with documents needed to apply for a volunteer visa, and we've seen it happen before. You just need to show proof of funds, references, and a clean criminal record. Some applicants have gotten a visa decision in under 7 days. So if you are serious about this opportunity, now is the time to move. This isn't just about relocation. You will gain real-life caregiving experience in the UK. You will build international references. You will live in a peaceful, loving community. You will form lifelong friendships, and you will grow in confidence, purpose, and experience. You won't just live with photos, you will live change, okay? So a quick final tip on your next step before you apply. Fill the form carefully. Don't rush. Don't lie. Honesty builds trust. Use your real referees. They will contact them. Be clear about your availability. September is a great start point, okay? Show your eagerness, but stay professional. And if you are stuck or overwhelmed with the application, you are not alone, okay? It's very easy to apply, okay? So before I go, I want to say a special thank you to every single one of you supporting this channel. If you found value here and you want extra support, I invite you to become a channel member. As a member, you will get priority help with applications, early access to videos and opportunities, direct responses to your questions, and special members only updates I don't share anywhere else. It's a way to go deeper, get closer help, and support the work I do on this channel. So if you've ever wanted to say thank you or just want that little bit of extra support with your relocation journey, click the join button below or use the link in the description or pinned comment. Your journey matters to me and I'd love to work it with you. So besties, I hope you don't sleep on this one. So many people dream of relocating, but the door doesn't open onto the step forward. This could be your first step. No agent, no stress, just you, your purpose, and an opportunity waiting to be taken. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more life-changing relocation updates, share this with someone who needs a fresh start. I will definitely see you in the next one. Until then, remember, Jesus loves you and I really do love you too. Rooting for you always. Thank you for watching.